your road test multiple times. You're watching this because you have anxiety. I'm going to help you achieve your goals and live your best life. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults and teens. We're going to give you a tutorial on safe driving, common hazards, how to pass your road test. We'll do some urban driving, some expressway driving, and we're going to end in a residential area. Right now, we're in a large parking structure in downtown Metro Detroit. Across the Detroit River is Windsor. So we're going to navigate this. This is really going to be fantastic. So when you first get into the car, you want to put it on your seatbelt. Okay. Next, you want to frame your rear window in the mirror. You want to look left. Check. You want to look right. I do have a backup camera, but don't trust that. Look over your shoulder. I'm looking to the right. I'm looking to the left. I'm covering my brake. Okay. All of these things are designed to help you pass your knowledge test and help you pass your road test. So I'm looking, and this is a really tight area. You're going to see this beautiful skyline. I know you can see it, but also we have to be careful. And for me, I haven't been here before, so this is going to be a really tricky maneuver. You should be able to see, I'm going to flip the angle. You'll be able to see the Renaissance. You'll be able to see the Detroit beautiful downtown area. Isn't this beautiful? But more importantly, we have pedestrians, okay? This is angle parking, okay? So what we want to do is go slow, cover our brake. Parking lots are very vulnerable for pedestrians. I want to stay to the middle left. This woman could have earbuds in. She could not. I just want to go slow, and I really want to be careful. So I'm scanning, I'm taking my time. You can see how beautiful it is. We're up, okay? But I'm taking my time. We're going to have to go down in this parking structure. We're going to have to get on the I-94 expressway. There's a lot of moving pieces, and I want to take you through this journey. This woman is walking in the middle. I'm just going to be patient. I'm going to take my time. I'm going to let her walk because I don't want to rush her. Now, there's a car coming behind me, but I'm not going to worry. I'm going to drive more to the left of her. I want to stay away from her, always respecting pedestrians, okay? So we're going to come down, and we need to get out of the structure. So I'm not sure which way to go, but this is a learning opportunity for all of us. You got to know how to angle park, okay? In this area, there's no excuses. Oh, I got to back up. See? I'm looking left, looking right. I want to show you, hey, how you doing? We're in downtown Metro Detroit. This came from a driver's education seminar. So this is going to be a great tutorial, real life driving. We're going to have to get out of this parking structure. I'm looking left, looking right, and I think I'm headed out the right way, but we're going to find out. I'm the DMV taking my test in a couple minutes. You know what? Relax, take your time, be patient. You got this. Confidence is the most important thing that I want to say that you need. I'm following cars out. Be consistent with your speed control. I want to show you where we are. You see the Ambassador Bridge over there. You know we in downtown Detroit, right? You know Windsor's to the left. Take your time. Have great speed control. Be confident. If you make a mistake, own it. Keep moving. Don't worry about what's going to happen on the test. You've been practicing. You've been driving. You know what to do. You've been looking at my videos, right? You're here to get better, okay? We want to get better. And this is why we're here. This is why I'm here, okay? In this tricky parking area, showing you, okay? Taking the time. Use this to take some of your nerves away, okay? And just going slow through this parking structure, it is really very scenic, okay? Really beautiful. Slow, bump ahead. Warning signs. When you come up to a stop sign, stop for 3 seconds. 1001, 1002. Let me go slow over this. 1003. On the expressway, merge out confidently. Look over your shoulder, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. We will at one time walk over there, Ambassador Bridge to Windsor. I have an enhanced license. So that's something I've always wanted to do, and I still can walk. So I'm going to do that. You see how tricky this is? You're like, whoa, imagine this in the wintertime. This would be crazy, going down this structure. This video will make you dizzy. So I'm trying to control myself, and if I have to downshift to a lower gear, I would. Also, just breathe. Enjoy the journey. California, what's up? Okay, I have an uncle and aunt that live in Pasadena, California. How you guys doing? We're live from Detroit, Michigan. This came from a professional development.